Come for a walk with me and Thor on Old Thoresby Pit, also known as Thoresby Colliery. It's a really nice place this. If you've never been, it's on the outskirts of Edwinstowe in North Nottinghamshire, also situated in Sherwood Forest. It was first opened in 1925 by the Bolsover Colliery Company, but then closed in 2015. I did try having a look through this scope, but there was no prevail. It's literally iced over or glazed with condensation. So yeah. So pressing on, obviously there's a bit of historical memorabilia here. A nice wheel from the lock stocks. It's crazy to think that this pit hauled over 2 million tonnes in 1980s. And look at this little feature here. They've actually used the old train sleepers to make steps for this nature reserve that it is now. Really nice to see. So anyway, after 90 years of production, the pit finally closed in 2015 and made around 360 miners redundant. I think this is the only last building standing now. It's nice to see, really. Seems that they haven't knocked everything down. But as you can see, now it is populated by a lot of new builds. Just like most places in UK now. That's all they're bothered about. But yeah, beautiful views up here. If no one's ever been, it's a good place to go. Clear your head. Why not? And I did come across this. I didn't know what it was at first, but I think it's soap. And here's the old colliery. Really good. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.